Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cool zoom intro to video in CapCut PC. So I just made this on CapCut, just add in a white text over a black background. I'm just gonna make it a little bit longer. And then I'm going to add in a video underneath. It could be anything you want, of course. Let's go with a scenery one like this one. Go to the second overlay, go to video, go to blend mode and select darken. Then you're going to add a keyframe here, and then here you're going to zoom in and position yourself here and zoom in around 5,000%. Whoops. Or 4,000. And that's pretty much it, really. You can zoom in a little bit more, and if you want to make it quicker, you're just going to make the keyframe closer like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, if you want to add in a little bit of fade out here. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.